a doctor, there's one skincare product that I get asked about a lot, and that's retinol. In this video, we aim to answer: what are retinols? What benefits do they provide? Why have they gained such popularity, and are they really worth the hype? Well, that's what we are going to explore in this video. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sue from SL Aesthetic. Today we are diving into the world of retinols. As a doctor, I am constantly asked about retinols. And it's no wonder since it's a popular ingredient in many popular skincare products. However, there's still many people who wonder what they exactly are. So let's delve into the fundamentals. Retinol, as its core, is a form of vitamin A, and it has found its way into many skincare products due to its positive effects on the skin. The array of benefits it offers makes it sought-after ingredient, effectively addressing various skin concerns such as acne, pigmentation, rough texture, clogged pores, and fine lines. As a result, they have become an essential component in many skincare routines. They also speed up skin cell turnover and exfoliate the skin. This helps shed old damaged cells, allowing new revitalized skin to emerge from the deeper layers. Additionally, their exfoliating effect reduces acne scarring and helps control and prevent breakouts, leading to less swelling and a smoother complexion. So whether you're dealing with acne, fine lines, or uneven skin tone, retinol could be the game changer for your skincare routine. Retinols work wonders as they not only boost collagen production, but also enhances the skin's elasticity, visibly reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. This makes them a powerful ingredient for combating the signs of aging. There could be a number of reasons why your retinol products aren't giving you the results you expected. One possible factor is the quality of the products you are using. It's worth noting the effectiveness of retinol products can vary significantly based on the concentration and quality they possess. Retinol is usually found in over-the-counter products and is a milder form of retinoid. On the other hand, stronger retinoids might need a prescription from the healthcare professional. That's why it's a good idea to consult with a professional who can guide you in finding the right retinoid for your skin type. Another thing to think about is how often you're using retinol products. If you use them too much, it can cause irritation. But if you use them too rarely, the ingredient might not have enough time to work. Additionally, applying too much retinol or not following recommended application techniques can reduce its effectiveness. For retinol beginners or those with sensitive skin, the sandwich method can be useful. It starts with applying a moisturizer product like a serum or a cream. Then you apply the retinol, followed by a thicker moisturizer to lock in the benefits. This approach will help prevent irritation while still getting the good effects of retinol.
Who should use retinol?
I recommend retinol creams for those people who are keen for anti-aging concerns, wrinkles, and also a way to look younger.
How should I start on retinol?
First, I recommend you to use it in the evenings. And for those with a little bit more sensitive skin or a history of eczema, I would probably recommend you to use it at least a few times a week. For example, 3 times a week for a few weeks. And then if your skin got used to it, you can start using it more often, from 3 times a week to 4 times to 5 times, and then daily use every night. For those who encounter a little bit of dry skin, it's always very good to put a moisturizer before you use the retinols. One more last thing before I forget. When you start using the retinol, please use a small amount, a pea-sized amount, and you can just apply thinly across your face.
How long will it take to see results from using retinol?
The next question a lot of my patients like to ask me is, how long would I see results with retinol? Well, I usually tell them it depends on your skin type, your sensitivity, and also how long you'll be using the retinol, and if you use it every day or every alternate days.
What kind of results can I expect?
I would probably think that after a few weeks, you might be able to see some results. You see that your skin tone is a lot better, and hopefully the wrinkles is also less. So while retinoids offer many valuable benefits, I'll definitely say yes. They are truly worth the hype and a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. However, as a professional, I would strongly recommend using them with caution. It's important to start with a lower concentration and gradually increase it to avoid potential irritation, especially for those with sensitive skin. Also, always use sunscreen when using retinoids, as they can increase skin sensitivity to the sun rays. But overall, when used appropriately, retinoids can be a powerful tool in improving skin health. So, that wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to do so for more educational videos like this. Again, I'm Dr. Sue. Thank you for watching, and until next time.